Yana is a dinner and Swissy, now be for and sweet mitras na mono, Nina and sweet me abenti yam for the fancy. Chairman can come what do Atanasi, na Diakabian chairman Edina and Sodiaba, name chairman Asama Huan is and Ronaldo Bo 2 goals no, Okodu Fiena, car abonacra and okra. Okra was spending 2,600 euros. Into Okra Nini, Fia, you.
A moment is can no
180 million. And now Ronaldo, the rest of Krawi. I'm saying car ball crowd.
Sao Krawi. Only we good chain, never be brave. Yes. I wrote some say abonned dear, but I know Ronaldo she too, right?
I know she too. Niti.
Okay.
Say Niti goes no the 433. Niti kwa.
Nene Chelsea ne Atletico. Suarez over go. Send here do be. Suarez anyaka so be send you one nyaka for you.
As I'm saying Atletico Madrid team na nkasa omo Suarez pa.
Omo. When that chairman ne papa ne tea no
ya obi
ne yigina boaji kumi no ne Chelsea fans nyina no Matthew no omo nyina but say ne Chelsea some machine tia twen obi
someone
Champions League no there's another game Lazio Bayern
Lazio Bayern
sa game no omo mo got bet
both teams to score
exactly
and they both
because Lazio there
they will be conceded.
Na 70.9.
70.9. Say Chelsea, omone Southampton, omo possession omo nya. And so omo nya one goal.
I no plan ka. Cause Southampton born a bob. Someone a bob no pa.
Na say Chelsea, yeah, Luciano when he ajesa. So say as oko cancel na someone omo. Say Chelsea am more draw. I say
David. Because the Chelsea losing manager one before.
Da.
We got to know what Franum ne imo dominina ye. Ne am Crawford. Yes, I am ham.
Oh, as a Wenger say Chelsea form qualify top 4.
And the Wenger.
Also Benya 63 points.
As one can
no teams be number qualify. One more.
Omo down. Back up Babishim. Back up Babishim.
Why?
Say Man City, Man U, Leicester,
West Ham.
Liverpool near the 5th. Hey, not Chelsea the 6th.
More Arsenal 10.
Only the star kodo tuntum ne kodo vital. Kodo tuntum no. Ya di si obi ya di guadie ma ya kataso. White ne ya kataso. Kodo vital ya kataso. Kodo tuntum ne ya kataso. The chance fitan ne kataso so wan kataso ba no mu nyina adwane ko. Said the chance ba ko fro ba ko na ba ko afro ba ko na ba ko afro ba ko. Omu nyina abedwane. Ko to tuntum no. Se ba ko yeso ko fa ba ko so na no wateno. Okay. Wateno wuram. Onko ba bia. Onso mu kan top 4.
Is here the philosophy of cotology. In psychology, I'm the child.
Oh
yes.
Oh, okay.
The philosophy of cotology.
Oh, okay.
To tuntum any fitano. Said the okay fitan ye buaso. Ba ko timi kotono mo frofane.
Omo frofane. Omo nyina be dwane.
Tuntum no so afro duru kentena no wo betie
no aso na no
na pre no.
Aso no. No. Ajo okwahi, oso okwahi.
Aso oboa o.
Nyina na ha. Okay, you Chelsea Atletico and Koya Momokra. Atletico their last 3 games they are without a win.
Yeah, 5 points from their last 4.
Yeah.
And now last 7 games you know concede goal. So there's a probability, great probability say Chelsea beat Mania goal. I was our game anymore. But yeah, share the homesters. Atletico Madrid for Ansani Abehe team on mobile where Chelsea. But it's important to know say Chelsea so are unbeaten under Tuchel. Emma a very good run. Just that weekend we against Southampton or they Hudson or Doy Bam around the 73rd minute no say in free mede Hakim Ziyech Bam. But no press conference or can say Hudson or Doy most likely say Branton best starting to the probables and the sort of strategies coaches Nimienu Ebe Yusu. Now for Atletico Madrid it's important to place on record say Omulusu played we said Diego Costa, Alvaro Morata to Juventus Juventus, Thomas Partey to Arsenal no. Almost style of play this is kakra. And almost the Luis Suarez Yannick Carrasco ni deal no permanent. Unfortunately, there's no Yannick Carrasco in any because onye available 2 goals 4 assists in Keneno or as a left wing backer Yannick Carrasco ni hube papa obi anim say as a winger there ni hu and Osha Sanya Inter Milan and Antonio Conte Yusu Hakim Al-Sharaf any plebs Ashley Young no any all of those boys Emaunya Ntiasie bi said this time the 3-5-2 or the 3-4-2-1 and the 3-1-4-2 formation you know coach is bebre Yusu papa yenti Diego Simeone has shifted to South formation because only Thomas Partey were midfield of course Diego Costa Suniho so Yannick Carrasco, Lucas Torreira and Luis Suarez number team no na was send your master kakra but again to place on record about this Atletico Madrid team in terms of the starting formation we're used to 4-4-2 this season we're using it 9 times and we're used to for the subsequent and all other games either 3-5-2 flat 3-4-2-1 and 3-1-4-2 into the back three no coaches ni mienu ni Tuchel and Diego Simeone no obia use sa formation and until a game we no me susu say very tight game goals ne no so wa be first goals no dia or most likely so betumi because Atletico omo concede goals this time against Madrid crash and omo concede very early goal and against Eibar and Deportivo Alaves in the Spanish Primera Liga omo very late goals into omo a bit of the comeback spirit but they always concede and that's adia back was a Chelsea for nya quick starter ebetumi abo omo demono so etumi aso ani now most likely of course in the 4-4-2 which I think is not the most likely starting formation most likely so be call for the 3-back system or you should 4-4-2 ne dia it will mean said though not omo be quite a bit long but long in the sense goalkeeper Jano Black ebe na je so bobo na sim dia Luis Suarez nya target man until say Lukaku on say Inter Milan Atletico for 3-5-2 flat formation obia de no dance Inter Milan goalkeeper Samuel Handanovic bebo sim na Lukaku apemesi form na Lautaro ajibo no ahwe say obi betumi abebo no no makọ manim but Atletico for de no say Jano Black ebosim a eya emwa Luis Suarez because Suarez no you see that say obobo na to ne na ho and now back to space no arani akofa ball no enti long balls ni pempi wa omunyisu now this season the Atletico Madrid for ball na sisane say omunye team a inkani ani say Atletico there omu defensive omu counter attacking team but who check it this season on the average Atletico for hit close like 52% in terms of possession the last time omunya a high percentage of possession was 49 that's some 4 or 5 years ago into this time Diego Simeone be person mrantie no ebeji ball na passing in kakra no makọ because there's no Diego Costa be pre ball with him Luis Suarez crowd the main kai the last time or yes of air ball of fakra onye too successful so this time omu possess the possessive style of football and omu issue now depending on the opposition and in this case Chelsea yes I said Chelsea so I be call for more of 3-4-2-1 because Olivier Giroud no be jina anymore I suspect so bebo Timo Werner and you have Brandt friend or Hudson Odoi as the 8 no any base of N'Golo Kante and Mateo Kovacic no about Marcos Alonso no about Reece James on the Marcos Alonso and Reece James as the laterals and our wing backs nature when you Zuma Rudiger and most likely Cesar Spilicueta and Mendy etumi agility a sense Chelsea for more with a two forwards ombebo Olivier Giroud most likely say no ombe issue Atletico for be issue the 3-back system no man handle Olivier Giroud in a very fine way say Chelsea for go for the 2 top there now Atletico for be reverted to more of a 4-4-2 flat system omo ebetumi issue now depending on the opposition so in the 4-4-2 the ombe ma fullbacks in this case is most likely say be Marcos Llorente because Kieran Trippier enya available and Yannick Carrasco ni wanti Renan Lodi ne bebo left back and left wing back position no inti Sam Ranten be come and make kind of 4-4-2 is the Simeone use started and no decide so be use the 4-4-2 Lodi any Brandt friend no Llorente e be come and na ka defenders menu no most likely say Saul ebe drop ya beka na ma ye back three na Koke na of course Yoriente any Abranti friend no Lord no mo ye wing backs no mo na full backs o mo come anim no o mo beka central midfielders no ma control is central midfielder but it's most likely say o mo must have 4-4-2 no because Saul drop it beka center backs no maybe Hermeso or Felipe or Savage or Felipe or be drop beka mo beka Koke nko enti Koke no beka na nim kakra no ni Oriente no ma handle sa midfield then various movements betumi akoso in various areas but I'm sure say enano obeko for the 3-back system so we'll concentrate on how Atletico Madrid play in the 3-back system the 3-5-2 or in a 3-4-2-1 or a 3-1-4-2 the difference between the 3-4-2-1 is and the 3-1-4-2 is 3-1 no and a 3-1-4-2 no Koke nkwa de begina defenders nanim and in the 3-4-2-1 and no one shall na Koke ni Saul and kwakwe the base of the midfield so in the 3-back system ne Diego Simeone started ya na Lord ni Marcos Llorente no mo come anim omo ntwen enhwe se obi ba eno de attacking wing backs on be come anim sa na senior Inter Milan say was say can Atletico Madrid this season Atletico Madrid football no I was say they compare Inter Milan for the papa ye into benyo obi say Hermeso no na ball on the left into no bang Renan Lodi on the left so they create those overloads on the left so you have Hermeso, Renan Lodi, João Felix this season was 6 goals into also a sense last season no kwane ball one top no bre into this time when Luis Suarez or Buano into a shift by left hook akra into because Timo Werner perfect example Timo Werner Marcos Alonso and your branch friend Antonio Rudiger omune good left so the honor ball no be fapa inti nano Reece James wa adwuma Hudson Odoi wa adwuma and a Cesar Spilicueta wa adwuma because in Pempi no attack no for the left e ba ne sa na almost central midfielder friend Koke okoka mo into more 4 players on the left side of a more attack and that is important say Chelsea for be side no say ball ni ko di João Felix wa either say obe cut inside no locate Luis Suarez and Luis Suarez do be anim ohia be 2 center backs am mark no say kwa defender ba coupe and also a problem my team my friend Chelsea either say João Felix cut ball na pass am Luis Suarez and or cut in or no be attempt so shoot into Edward Mendy was say Edward Mendy concentration levels no was so especially Sabranti and friend João Felix ejibona a lot of goals watching this season no ojina penalty box na no a finish wo wa and all the pass ni Luis Suarez na Suarez so etumi a finish na ball no ekodi left ho no so a mpempi omo san switch ball because omo create overload na obo say wa dwembe say oh yes you for players ni ko gu onye ye match omo in terms of the numbers e ho no ma switch ball ni go right into ho na bo say Marcos Llorente any Abranti your friend Luis Suarez any the other midfielder on the right either Saul ono so akoka omo na ho so mo operate into Atletico Madrid team no omo operate every in fifth ni omo far left omo sa so use right into no Chelsea all departments on better test omo in fact this is the biggest test for Penya your friend Thomas Tuchel now mo fan fifth ni ho dia na akoye 3-1-6 they say 3 defenders no Hermeso, Felipe any Abranti friend Stefan Savage no manya Koke as the 1 so 3-1 but 6 no includes the 2 wing backs in Renan Lodi and Marcos Llorente na ka 4 players ni ehwamu attacking midfielders for example in Obebo Koke Thomas Lemar no abo Kondobia inti se Kondobia no begina number 6 position no gina 3 center backs anymore na ka Thomas Lemar Koke Saul Suarez any Abranti friend João Felix say 3-1-6 no saboni na mfimf ni sana obi ani wo position into Suarez betumi abebo 10 na João Felix akobo 9 and na João Felix be call left obetumi akọ right Thomas Lemar so betumi akọ so no bo force 9 into nano Matthew Kovacic ni N'Golo Kante eni so mu ja mu defenders no okra enakra they was saying N'Golo Kante ejina as the base and it's a movie because some fluidity with the front 4 no, in the 3-1-6 formation because Kaiser wing backs no be crosses no menya mrantie 9 will fifth ni o medical bomudi Thomas Lemar Koke, Suarez, João Felix. Now Lodi, any Orientenum mark wings no. Inti send your name, send your Chelsea City here. This time Chelsea use wingers, natural wingers, or we use wing backs no as wingers no. San Atletico Madrid for ebe to me a ball. Now dear Hunye, Ubo says Suarez bed drop it. I saw no about the 10 or the 8. The boss said João Felix run it. Now run back where was Chelsea for 20 year Marcos Llorente. This season, Marcos Llorente 8 goals, 7 assists. On no ball, make us on ball, make a ball no kwa mobi. Ubo say obeti when you know the penalty box na no. Oye na juma was say oye. Into was Chelsea for any year. And now Atletico Madrid for no press it. Atletico Madrid do not press high. Into Nano Chelsea for bet me ball na from Antonio Rudiger to Marcos Alonso to Mateo Kovacic to Mason Mount. No more passing because Atletico for say you see ni momo dadano. Omono no pumping. They don't allow either low or medium block. Into ansa na bet me for moving free no. Now I bread. Inti nano, I was said Timo Werner. I wish this game park radi anka Hakim Ziyech bebo because omone betumia train kakra etumia draw foul etumia ma Chelsea. Inti unless Olivier Giroud, and I have my doubts, say Olivier Giroud kwa defenders miensa onu kwa den kwa no betumia ye. And no see a concern ma Chelsea. And Kaise Omo one of the finest goalkeepers in the world, Jean Oblak. I don't see a major concern. It's not make us a match when no goes no so because Oblak and Kwano here another trouble. Now let's go Madrid elbow low block or mu defend it. Say omunya sa low block na goalkeeper no so ginachira and no see a major concern for team friend Chelsea. Now to the away team Chelsea. No cra Tuchel buy no a modern mono a ya nisa. No crowd only say Onyenya and starting 11. Intia day so beka say we na bebo tenanche because the bia no hu ade foforo e wo panya friend Thomas Tuchel ne starting 11 and of course the formation is quite set because of bebo a 3-4-3 formation, but players who here and in nano Chelsea benya the possession no because in the game against Southampton Chelsea in a possession of 70.9%, omunya 915 touches of the ball and omunya 727 passes. It's Chelsea share one goal. So there's a clear problem. Say Chelsea can dominate the midfield, but in the final third, yes, I don't want to compare their problems with Liverpool's front three, but I'm saying ball no dear a chiro urban 50 on there and kaya nisa but ball no be position area hono and no send your ball no be sia in terms so any efficiency in front of goal no a problem. Now players who here in Nepa Mateo Kovacic in N'Golo Kante because in some possessive system no omuna was almost a ball free defenders no locate passes no mo come him. Now I'm not too sure how Mateo Kovacic in N'Golo Kante no betumi stopping the press of Thomas Lemar and a branch friend Koke because some rant and betumi jira almost so into how smart and N'Golo Kante are with the ball. I'm betumi locate spaces most especially Mason Mount because on the bench ball no I want to call him the advanced playmaker. On the bench ball now we say Hakim Ziyech Jirani say Hudson Odoi Jirani say Timo Werner Jirani say so let's try locate them. Now the advantage of this Chelsea side is Timo Werner near branch friend Hudson Odoi so I'm gonna be the double 8er omo be run 50 na Alonso name Reece James no aye the wingers and now wing backs no mo so attack into crosses ni bem. I suspect say there was a Chelsea 4 year crosses be because Alonso attacking no Ronan Lodi also and branch so Alonso is on the left so you have Marcos Llorente no bebo as the right wing back no so be you or better capitalize on the space and Marcos Alonso Ejawanechino. So there'll be a fine cancelling out because obi about 3 back into the only solution another the in terms of the difference and this time Suarez and João Felix against 3 defenders and Olivier Giroud against 3 defenders. Into the rate at which Timo Werner and Hudson Odoi press it either Hermes, especially Hermes Hemeso na impempi no ono je ball na opeso running into who se ball na be did ho kai say João Felix nom ene Lenan Lord nom movie into ono na was so pressing here into Hudson Odoi that would be the job of Hudson Odoi basically because ono na be on the right for the 88 into someone to me stopping sound movement on the left now Matthew Kovacic ni Mason Mount to me locate those small because a better dense Chelsea for the ball be 550 it's a better wing play no so no I will say Olivier Giroud or pinball na no pim ni ye because you can't waste a lot of opportunities when you have Hemeso Felipe and your Brante Fene Savage and including one of the best goalkeepers in the world in Jean Oblak and my game near day because coaches ni me anu nyina no obia no nim de oye o ma drill o mo mrante no wode no mo yenim and it will be very tough because Atletico and Casano this season, you know.
Why you know?
Match way no. I must both sides scoring no because I slim margin. Well, born a slim margin. I'll go for double chance Atletico. And Kamian Casa de me score line pie Atletico 1 Chelsea 0. But Chelsea so no to me right you more of especially. Sometimes Ejuma Tuchel aye or Paris Saint-Germain why or Dortmund say no see man Mrantia no me can attack midfielders no to me creative BB out of nothing and Kaiser set pieces corner kicks free kicks aye there Atletico Madrid for no so no ya there pa double chance Atletico win or draw
for Atletico
yes win or draw Atletico
okay Obi tries Mate says Candy
Chawan a big game baby I have free be a big game. And a lot of things and I'll bet me the analysis of this game very well. Two teams, you know, in New York. The entire makers and say it is a Atletico Madrid team in the group stage, 6 matches. Chama, mama, with all the attacking players, almost only 7 goals. And almost concede 8. And not something you can think of with this Atletico Madrid team, especially because of coach, you know, bench, you know. But Atletico Madrid shares 7 goals, I concede 8. And 9 points no munya no. 2 wins and 3 drawn games o munya. First game, na obi hu say on level na this year on bebre. Cause their first game was against Bayern Munich. Allianz Arena. And omo share mo 4-0. And Atletico Madrid games o munya no. Group num team o we in Lokomotiv Moscow went match no. Home and away or draw. Salzburg munya na share home and away. And odinya 6 points from there, or ball draw in the last game against Bayern at home. But Adia overhead the free game we said Chelsea is undefeated in away games in the Champions League this season. Chelsea has 3 straight wins away. Omo share Sevilla 4. Omo share Krasnodar 4. Omni Rene omo share I think 2-1. In away games Chelsea earned drop points, 100% record. And surprisingly, this Chelsea side and a coach by Frank Lampard actually most goals in the group stage. Into a Chelsea side and never transforming kakra. Most of the coaches are more used to the 3 back no. I him say yana wing backs and say defenders no. You coaches on person or defend very well. Control game, no more hit on the counter. But Adia Diego Simeone in this season. And the Thomas Tuchel with Chelsea side no. Omo 3 back by a 3 back of possessive football because omo 3-4-2-1. 2 teams in most games omo use proper number 10 for me no. It's behind the striker there are 2 schemers omo bet mekura ball no atwe a create chance. It's not the normal 3-5-1 no. Omo 3-4-2-1 because striker nechi 2 players now. Now, this is a Chelsea sider. Chama Ombe struggle to defend. They will struggle to defend because the Chelsea defender Marcos Alonso nka he can't help you. Obesa kweye unnecessary fouls. Reece James a very fine recovery. Or konenim and with miracle van tem so ebe defend it. But the speed and the pace Cesar Spilicueta, Kedzuma, Christensen and Antonio Rudiger at the ball games more any 3 beyond Bebobiano. The speed of Abranti Efrano, Yao Felix, very difficult for them to contain. And they have a very canny striker in Luis Suarez. Neniate only when to even go as strikers. Ofabona only when to run at you, the striker, defender, to get the sympathy of the referee or to win a foul at a very dangerous place for the club. No, enti Luis Suarez Ofabona no di pia. Adia ba ko behwe nse obehwe be a João Felix run no eko. And yenim say the skills na won na no. Any said we see ball move. And then the precision say on a passing no. Ebe one in this game pa. Behind him, Ombabo Jeffrey Kondobia. That boy, when you hype no from under 20 no because of Paul Pogba, said we see take the whole tournament no by storm no. But he's one of the finest you can have when you give him defensive duties. On hold the ball, on distribute man. So he'll be in front of the three back no. Obviously Ebe Hemeso, Felipe and Savage. On the left, Lordy Bebo, but Lordy Savage, I'm not too comfortable because Savage was not very good on the ground. Lordy so be attack a defending well the amount, but create space between on the centre back no Janet, you know. And Marcos Llorente also on the other hand, baby, Hemeso Bebo free no. Llorente Ebemount, the passing, the defensive work and bit my amount. But adia ba ko no so ha ne say okura ball num che because we midfielder oni ball no ball no try so be draw players into play obe hold you play no draw players aba to obe hold ball na che say Yannick Carrasco up for this game KB me prediction best but because ono Hector Herrera munina out of this game. Kieran Trippier because of suspension for betting issues out of this game. On the bench, coach obet master game no ebekwa akoye Thomas Tuchel because onu benya more options on the bench. So Chelsea started also with the three back. Na omunya Alonso with Reece James, N'Golo Conte, Kovacic ejina anymore. Pulisic, Kai Havertz. It means that Ombenyo obi say Hakim Ziyech your bench.
Now okay that one.
Messi Mount on so bar. It says a Pulisic ebe on the bench. He'll be a bit much starting after game from the bench and as well. Chelsea benya more options because of injury situations at Atletico Madrid. But this is Atletico Madrid side. Chama the knockout phase no more difficult to play them. Chelsea since 2012 winning Champions League no. Winning an away game, I will knockout phase no. After 2012, Chelsea has struggled to play away games to win. And Wanda Metropolitano, the Nkombe fancy on chances because they are the first club winning, and it remains the only club winning Champions League tie ever. But at Bucharest, game ni bet master.
95.7.
Atletico Madrid will be playing under no pressure because the last two games, the results of money against Levante, no, who say any opposition be an bet ma hit you. So they will be wary of Chelsea attack, no. Now, Obi tried the ball possession for the last game 79%. At a point, when Chelsea about 88%. But Chelsea's creation now is difficult for Chelsea because Messi Mount now with my board the number 10 creative chances or drifting the no more of right. And at Chelsea midfielders no, so mu create and mu push come when him no mu close the vacuum between attacking players no and no more defender no. Midfield no, wary of the back because Thiago Silva and you. Uja okwa Antonio Rudiger any too comfortable with play or speed. Cesar Spilicueta any too comfortable with play or speed. It N'Golo Conte any Kovacic among contrast center no masa omochi. And that is the space Ebia Obeja Masawunu guess. Obeja Diamo Obi said Thomas Lemar. Ubet Meja for Cookie to exploit. So technically, two sides in a bit about the three back no. But I'm here not Chelsea Mwako 3 at the back, 5 in midfield, and then a lone striker. But let's come out with so dynamic say On bet master game no from the 3-5 no to 3-4-2-1. Or more flair players, or more attacking players, so that Abrante Freno Luis Suarez will not have defensive duties to do. On Manechi Bebre, which anymore said they will keep 2 of the centre backs in position. Now Bobo on to lefter and now righter. Loriente Yusuna Grenano. And as I say, Yao Felix Nafa Bono so they approach you. Also to me soon a skill in the skill set, no, at me the tries will be the opportunities.
Okay.
In this game, 2 goalkeepers no, may count so much. I'm using may because
2 goalkeepers say bako ya de chen bako be brave.
Yes, but one say a usual save rate of 94% from group stage, you know, Mendy.
So that above run there na.
The town no see.
Na inu wom.
Na no. This is the timer. Yes, but to say sa good start no nya a big show because Atletico Madrid will attack. Let's forget about the fact that Omo is defensive over the years. Players no come no, they will not defend. Ombe hold you back no tight there, but they will attack Chelsea. And chairman 2/2.5 no, high. Atletico Madrid win and over 2.5. Chelsea may score, but Atletico Madrid win in match no. So I'm looking out for Atletico Madrid win and over 2.5 because Chelsea will score
over 2.5.
I see Chelsea
game goes with your sir.
Me who said Chelsea be go, but Atletico Madrid.
And then because I'm saying even though say Atletico home, but they're born on a neutral grounds because psychologically, a very good fun. Ian Kamo Bian to say the game is being played in the capital of Romania, Bucharest, and because of Spanish government restrictions or their babonte with regards to flights from the UK.
Sure.
So UK mom got Spain. We are still there.
Say Spain, Spain no. Germany, South Africa, UK, and now Brazil. And only countries are more the banned by say nationals or travelers from those countries, you know. But the funny aspect in say Atletico Madrid home near Cobon in Bucharest. But the same Atletico Madrid team never travel about England abebo. So what does it change?
I say a bit of an advantage for Chelsea.
No, they can't COVID restrictions, no. UK.
No, I would say flights from. I'm gonna make an exception for football. You're banning flights from the UK to Spain
because of Corona.
Because of almost situation.
But a club from Spain, but UK
but a club from UK, no. Honestly, we test your money before they enter.
Yeah.
I'm also make an exception for football.
Oh, yes.
But where the Chelsea, Tego Silva movie. One court triple.
Or you injured. I think you're the only major casualty from Chelsea setup.
Well, this is Chelsea. I'm not Chelsea team. No, I'm the chamber. Bucharest Chelsea team. No corner. Chelsea. Okay.
Kai Havertz.
No. Okay. Player Chelsea have trouble. Kappa. Said yes na. Pepe yaboke. No.
80 million.
Kai. Nye.
Oh, Jefan.
Yeah, we Kai boy.
Na dojan ne chene. Kai nye na Timo Werner na.
Timo Werner say kaka.
Striker who caught 12 matches without a goal.
Kaka. Now, when your pictures and we're live on Facebook and the video also too. Oh, this is Chelsea. I don't say Chelsea fans no. Manager by fact we go say o copy video in the status is here Azana match no. Aba. Right. Why they
fans?
Kind akwana ontimbo.
One na church.
Fans of both teams no be omu tukwa na dress for house so to say.
Oh, efe.
E go for bobo dey be so bobo. Yeah, bobo have be so bobo.
White or but we are white.
E be bobo. And they say what I know so the snow this boom sano. E tono. Enye easy kwa. Okay, I don't know and you had the live commentary of that game. You had the break phone nyina. Pure 95.7. We'll also be live on Facebook. We got Pure FM Ghana. Go to me at commentary be. No, I said yeah, University Elho. Okay. Okay. You're going na everybody akajina. I'm running a buffet. Afisam no. So what is the concan?
Oh,
yes. How is the course say? Young chance every heart of gas. But has a work near Santiago Gunya no somewhere. I do understand so and some kakra I was but any kind of good news, you know, for Hearts of Oak fans, no man sana. They need too much of good news, you know, and also Atwaso. I brought a friend, the friend Di Maria, Ivan Dino. Okay, over touching my 11 wonders. Your friend Ibrahim Salifu, yes, about 11 wonders. Salifu Ibrahim. Now, teams do not know per brand team. Coach Kostava between branch and Kasai, Ekacha the Nigeria. Okacha has a penny for the penny for the Mahas because the modern mono. It was so. Now, Kostava between any omni said you never say. But the tennis say, Coach Ninoy, someone Ninoy, on a larger can be any branch and a Sakasa. Our Makacha is a puppet new the name or bow bebo. Into number say, who's a Nino and Omu no. That's a Roman ye lie. Into now said Nino man assurance. Say, even though the coach will call you about bar. About Bobby, intimate men worry about say, be a coach or peon. And only hope him. Now,
yeah, boy, saying has Nino and Anna coach team.
Debbie. Sadatan has in your name. Unze
into Utonu, na coach na substantive coach now, Befana Ba, then scheme on Kanwa, obending. Another judgment.
Omega is on Manamo. On covers of the
being impulsive player. No,
I know over Zoom. Now you say over ending. Now, reports has a rich agreement with 11 wonders. And so, if a player and manager has to reach agreement, it will be a set, say, a branch and Johnny Hartford. I think that the only problem Kakaya by the onward transfer. 11 wonders. Almost up 30%. I have to look for say a dozen kaka, but even 30, no. A branch and manager, no. Salif Ibrahim manager say up 10% from the 30. Because the player can be blown to 11,000 Ghana cedis. In tennis, almost 30 nyama more. Almost 11,000 more. 11 wonders so much 4,000. 4,000 Ghana. He say no na kwa kaka, but yeah, they are no baba. 11 wonders once and be able. I know, but any can be an inch of Mauritania. I'm not gonna run tennis your kind. Now, young Cornelia is Zeman. I hope I got there.
Boss, Yanko Pardon, my Adiati, Camp Boko.
Nice one. Now, Andrew about saying, I am the son of the Guy, what am I? Say, Yenisaka Morocco, dear farm, Nebia. I'm hard you go na Gambia, dear.
We the woman in Tino, made in Tintim now, waiting out to out you made so now. And now,
FM 95.7
match, no, Dallas Bafo to say, I didn't know or both face match against Gambia. Emma Zito in a no say or no crowd or Unis Gambia for Nana or more prepare, you know, my whole day bromos so now or more share. To generalize no quiet reference, I wish Tanzania for Morocco, I know you're strong, no crowd on the board draw. Nanka Gambia will be a Shani Bino Nadiantina with me a year, and also your question could be more on ma. Say, Omudiri say Ghana board face matches as a Ghana board drum pa and Mauritania in your chance. F home at the qualifiers best place team ever competition in but Uncle Bata no more yipa. Now, boss, and after game, no, your 14 pass no, as your question, Hoodie will be Ankasa, a key coach, say, or original bassing, a common work at them and say, or Monfan too much. You hear and say, or Motimia qualify. Nimum, we now lose now, but the best answer more than not Cameroon. On lose match competition, mo 3 nasa 9 point street no, almost be Eddie Abomo, no match my boys na bamumu. Na boys they be so who kakra so mumu say selection wise no as a favoritism kakra so wum and also so and also so as so 3 months 3 almost we say we no can performance in drop no. Now we also able and also ya de kakra bia wo do aso tete forma and also within them and also emwa and I say we share your first game Eric Apia and a boy second game Patrick Mensah by and a third game Abrante did Makati Ofori and so be boy it is a position on kwan minim the all no ma yentimi nya obi obetimi seat because you had that position saying na obi a timi maintain no for all the 3 games no and then also your headache and no anwumre you be drew ye be non kon and Mr. Randy Abi we share technical team na omufri wona aboba ahomache be 12 na ensem de bebre na koso pa enya agro me no ka say ɛyɛ COVID test na wi anɔpɛ ya na Mr. Randy Abioyo no ene ne management team no Mr. Samuel Anim Adomo wa Babu Alasamu omo ni place ni gu edem conference room sisi ya omo eno mo di nkomo den say omo nhwe na kwan going forward na nkran problem nyina na say see omo ball wafu ewo eye Benin per diem 1 cedi kura mai ebesi ne ena wasa be di 10 days ewo eye no adibo hase ya per diem 1 cedi kura so emaye na ye say omo so hu omo say asa adwuma no mo ye ne kura na say obi aso appreciate eda so makobọ we age cap kura na ye ntua per diem no masa be di 10 days wase ya ena nwumre 7 pm team ni say travel akọ short akọbọ Cameroon a obi an ka we nkyere omo obi an mo discuss bonus obi an mo discuss per diem bibia asan ni wodi a omo so hu ne say no so ya ade anu so mo di ho yawo ewo mo nti going forward no o say panyin for fixing yama animanum ya kosi ya wada ni Cameroon bebo enye sa e bia na ya ibenya worst performance scratching bia de yehu ewo ye previous games no eti oba ha say dia ntutu ya de bibia de na akon bibia hye yi kama ye hwese anwumre no so ka fofo no be flight available na yetinya travel akọ on a short na bese no nwoche eye 1 hour nti ya chekwa no nwoche mpa mu de na team no capital wono ma ye hwese against Cameroon no ye betinya to 20 na ye off day e wa ha say ya na ye nyehwe ye twen si e betinya firi kurodua imu no ye de ni a kire no short nti boss oba ni wadibo ha say ya no pa enkomo kakre wo no.
Okay, Isaiah man there CP yenya umsi ho. Isaiah man net for the ekoso ewo eye Mauritania abreye no. The national under 20 the black satellites some camp and some ho and so na yede abano. Okay, yankwa enim na yemfa de aka nyina no yemfa emra na okay na me kan ba Hearts of Oak say ensama ewo me de Salif Ibrahim na hon sam no ababa de Hearts of Oak mpanyimfo bia omo so de omo no ato kind happenings Hearts of Oak Haiza Kwaso no ka has dino no nyaka keto over 2 billion kanisikano. But Hearts of Oak no ya sideline no.
When I see what is happening there, you can't even the supporters even meet the management or meet the board and have discussion with them. See, you don't run a top one-man show. Even administration is not only in office, is on the ground. You know, sometimes you have to visit the playing and the hotel and see what they are eating, what they are drinking. When they win a match, you promise them, you meet them one day, take them to a restaurant, have a dinner with them, or cook and go to the camp where they are and have a meeting with them. Every day people see me on the road or they even call me, why don't you go and help? I said, look, since I left the club, nobody has appointed me as even a director, even a House of Hope owes me money. I said they should flow it, they owe me about 200,000. They should flow the money. I don't want the money, just want House of Hope to be doing well. It's my girlfriend, House of Hope is my girlfriend, so I'm prepared to go and help.
Okay, Haiza Kwaso has an cut 2 billion. No, I got this kind of pay. Also, scan on fine, but on Hearts of Oak Bayard, no. And no, na he no say Hearts of Oak to send a girlfriend. And then be say Hearts of Oak a yard dear. And as Thompson, former board secretary of Hearts of Oak, and also at the Nigerian chair above for house was it the rate house is a coaches no. And yeah.
I say something. The club has to be changing coaches, changing everything. I mean, I've said it consistently like a revolving door. It's a reflection of something wrong somewhere. You have to put your finger on and solve it. It is not in even the interest of the club. Very simple for what happened. Like a coach comes in within a short period, forget about the reasons it gives. But should that even happen at all? And then you have others leaving. I don't think it's very good. It doesn't give us a correct signal. We are talking to the whole world. That's what is big. From very high level, people calling you everywhere you are driving. People are even coming back to help us in the rest. We don't need to come back. The correct thing can be done. Somebody somewhere are not doing the correct thing. And let's say the way it is.
I know someone as Thompson, they are to the Hearts of Oak, former board secretary, and also Nigerian chair. And now when I come to Prado, I can say Hearts of Oak, no, 2 games a day, many mommy liberty, Yamia match now. And there's Santiago on Sunday, it's almost said, yeah, did he say the peace ebeba ku ni
professionals at Tansuman. Before we play Kumasi Asante Kotoko, we have to make sure we get positive results. If not, it is going to negatively impact on some of the things that are currently going on around the club. I'm saying this because if we win, like you did mention yourself, it is very much capable of calming every single hassle fan to begin to believe that yes, the things the club said we want to work on, we have started working on it. That is why we've had that positive result. If you don't win, God forbid, if you don't win that game again, because in a matter of 2-3 days from that game, you'll be coming up against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. There will be so much panic amongst the supporters.
Well, I know you're coming proud of there or the Atudra and so I don't know. Well, everywhere in Yemra, Asante Kotoko and so reporter Banicha said Coach Maxwell Konadu $66,000 now so requested. If I don't so G and your first Asante Kotoko. Na nyina na ye the contract won sensem according to Coach Maxwell Konadu in the camp no. Obviously sika kamu na kind of contract no. And obviously initially no say 50,000 before
damages yeah
but I say you see what decided say no
okay
it is 66 no for man but reports of the board ni say on between 9,000 there
okay
and I'll say
oh so I say and
omutia 9 no ma de ne car na say
there be almost say you want to wanye it will call the
car battery
okwa makabe juma na chi
upon players
upon players am say ko jira e player status am players jiska
tomo de
ave gwana ko players bi kasro mo so momra
no munya ne 10 preko na 9,000 that's no there ni pande G60 now bet you 10,000 fine but 9,000 the maintains here 1,000 free me who be as I kind of but well I'm sure say Maxwell Konadu na Ankasa no have to think around it no I say obeja
yes I was go jet to me that next week on this can
9,000 omunya ne 10,000
oh the 10 go yes that 10 go need to anyo mo dey but 66 in there it will top less very
66 there me kwa no I you better Maxwell say what 50 the free so we say nice can well over a little over $100,000 and an up so into we 16 free so we 15 free so I can contract in the salaries for 1 year or so 1 year or 2 years now wakaka bomo edrusas well it's a decision for the board to make and if said when you know say Alhaji Lami was special relationship with Maxwell and he almost fancy Alhaji Lami so na on Maxwell in Casa consistently talk to him and let's see what will come out of this case. I'm sure say Maxwell on fan player status inti could to be manage our case way internally but again lessons been na yesu free consistent sack of players coaches and players any a car a batch na ya dia ba kwa was say impenyu for the kwa dream mu na omo per solution to such situation Chama had to work Di Maria Salifu Ibrahim Salifu I'm excited for the boy because 3,500 salary there because 11 wonders now 600 now they only say now has a folk for him the salary in the BBA into your coin or shares here free 5,000 11 wonders
almost Simbiaba
11 wonders
Sadiq Adams is supposed to Obama the area to Facebook
it's a check akra na chairman I want you ho
na for picture where Jerry Premier League players go training no na go kiam
I'm saying na kia ni twam and almost so nam form and almost red driver no say yen green tinam na see your junction so left yes sir no na di omuko training eba yes sir na di omuko training
be picture no o de forget ja Obama you know so the Ghana Premier League players ambo Premier League say
goalkeeper on the show
but everyone that's I want you
yes I don't know more best player no omo best player na can 8 months on a contract so omo tena na go for free a kaba inti sa 50,000 emoji
I am man after ba ko kura be fro
50,000 emoji had to vote no anu no mo dey ba be team na till the end of the season
500 million
Now the problem is that one other team is super relegation. Say team ni call relegation na just asem no aginsemu na am say busumi ma in 9 quad num kura ni no salary my nti 11 won the situation ni there this are don't go next level ko so mumu because
don't go some kinds of bronze grab for
I don't go next level
I might say coach Ignatius coming in me kura here bronze many coach Ignatius kind bronze gazo over here now ma Dr. Gogotin I be the amount but omobre pan
the
players never form the go training
Tom Di Maria
I mean care driver here komo
aduane die mu kura na wo se onua didi a na wo hwese dokono ne yamienu na wa o gauge na zo yi na
yes it that coach Ignatius na ni sika
I said na make aduane die mu no so ko to se coach to aduane a se coach uti ebi wo mo obetita coach ko didi a na mi na mini na ja coach ntimi ni di nyawo no wa talk akra na wo so wadi nti akwa brotherhood omo the case akwa nuanom
na be come nyo na CEO no
Albert Kwame no ono ne ko story ni say e ba ni say na house of folk abrante ni salary of 600 cedis
almost suspect Albert Kwame
Albert Kwame na leaky information no ma house for nti house for ba no mo kro mo position dada say abrante ni value ni 100,000 e ba ni say na house of folk say abrante no aka 8 months when the contract so
say be abrante na catch ro mo to
abrante
so abrante be catch
o so no ni mo bia o aso
dem say be your friend we say
David na
has contract
proud to the first meeting na has was figures we nyina so we no Salifu no there Misri mas assist to free
that the boys don't touch you and the coach was a magician
yes
sometimes the results is
for the game a passion for the game
some of these internal issues say we ni Otechi now start blame coaches. Now, a champion is going through a similar one.
Yeah, champion then the move you was that was there. I do me here in Chame come be you go mama ka.
And what catch up. One say wo migina hoyi. Wo busuam say nya football anka wo bi betime fra busuam be kasa manim. Wo didi matem. Ono so sa players no yentu omoka ekom wo ho winning bonuses yentu and it affect whatever coach be kire. I think
we should do a documentary on the life of a Premier League player in Ghana.
Yeah. It would be very
interesting. Can you imagine this? Enra, omo ball na enra ye chomo all the Real Madrid no. Omo Premier ni bi.
Ah, Ombo Premier
na bi o, some Ombo Premier omo krom. Ana omo Premier omo so krom.
Nye krom he ya na Division 1 player nya best player man no. Slippers, Adidas slippers, a presenter man. Nti fa no nante ko obi de ka beko ba wo je mpawa de be nante akotreni
ayare ho se me grace gift for man na ne won twetwe nkomo
24 no asem no ensemo aize man de 2 anim na ehu players na mu complain say selection emfa
all the players release us
and we the number 15 be boy for Makati chamana Branton ni mbobo kra o
go video
me be aya coach Karim Zito ko file players we free I mean Karim Zito onye serious kakra na miti management committee members omugu Mauritania Dr. Ransford Abe Jones Alhassan eni Mkujo eni Matthew eni Mkujo ni manager
eni Madu
omu nyina go and a they say coach my friend Martin yon wabiase coach baye na juma no abre
say uti no bagawa ya uti nya
na nkwala no so se omo peden
yes no elusi no they were locked in the meeting omo via watching yes no na jona na Randy no free coach Zomra say coach Ibra
yo ye
your man come go for 140 players kampu omo mo didi ye bibia we enie
na nkwala no se omo pe bonus
omo se omo ko boy nyina Gabon ne nyina mo hwe desine
on so magic cap wafu zombie eno anya cap and the move fan show me to Ghana sa cap the cap yeah ntu say no yeah cap but bonus bad here well they deserve it but it should not be I think say at the under 20 level omo share no mo ankasa personal careers no more but ne kwakwa mu no Bernard Lepere technical director of the FA Wajumaye because be biegu club football league national team football league also ni akofa technical director owo adwuma ye pa edidie ni onom no e also twa so no in 10 terms of my blueprint as far as your football is concerned I'm getting worried for this
in fact, so Richard Fye, Richard Fye.
Yeah.
Or the suggestion be about for Techiman.
Okay.
Or say there were a lot of Techiman for Omotiaman on it. Obi wa onye Techiman ni ba otna Techiman. What I say Obi me old boy we say you of Techiman.
Yeah.
It's Obi wa the all you say. Omo mu amano ni no. Omo ni omo nkasa. Maybe obi adopt players. Maybe $500 a month. Kwa no de be brema. Maybe the bakono sort play and diet. Inti month bia no na omo di tia. Nya sa dia. Ekom no betimi akun obi dako. Na nya Ghana na Premier League team ko ball. No mako han Melko Bass. Na oma ka banku pa prime bako. It's just Ghana. No, but seriously, yeah. Oh, there. Margaret get from right.
But the investment will be. Yeah, now person unya a certain kind of constituency, and I see or at what cost, and I say yeah, adopt a player no, a beba from the team. So to abroad now to a player called Techiman City team no more, and I 11 won this team no more. A bit of one person the Eco's club no one, but
of course,
a check direction as Eco, and then a club owners not time tries to be protected.
No, so yes, man. Why you do that? Your groups. How is that called? You know,
the Bianco or complicit team near Manem Mahumpo, former chairman, Millennium Chairman.
How is that called? You know,
was here, man.
Only and a Thompson, I understand their plight. I understand their plight because with him, Mimi Tuba, Kamema like Harizako a seat on the board. Okay. Not because he's a shareholder, but I need for institutional memory. I need his expertise. Unko Fobitsa Cambinum Betransfer, Cambinum a grounds people. But I need somebody I be a chamber which will say, Caneno, we will say near Mudini. Yes, say be and discover any say. Sankoya sa neque a year. Go has of a board, no say
I can be attend the chairman, can you be up a bill? Can you be up Pobia or new Bacas Machano? Only one anyone achieve.
Because like can be supposed to be obeying. Or send a letter, said they can, or send a letter I read ya. Next board meeting, the only moment.
But Emmanuel to 4 Absa Bank, I am Harper Road, or some mention.
Oh, okay.